The shader blur plugin, if you haven't guessed, allows us to blur an image. So to use this, what we're going to do is just use an image here. We'll slide one of our images from the server into our scene tree. Let's scale it up here with our transformation axis editor. We'll go back into our built-ins, into the shader tab. Within the filter folder on the left hand side, we have this blur. We're just going to drag this onto our image here. You can see when we do that, it blurs the image. Now within our filter blur settings or properties editor, we have our quality, which we can set to low by default. We can change it to normal and or high as well. Now we also have a range below that, so we can decrease the range or increase the range. If I just unselect this plugin for a moment or make it inactive by selecting this little icon next to it, there's also another way you can blur images within the image editor itself. So if you click on the image and come into the image editor here, within the texture editor here, under the quality setting, our mode, if it's set to bitmap, allows us to blur our image this way as well. So we could change this blur function here. As we increase it, it will blur it out. Notice as we change the mode to pixel or linear, our blur no longer becomes active. So once we're back to bitmap, our blur becomes active, and we can set the blur in there as well. So either way you want to blur your image, you can use this blur shader and or use the blur within the texture editor.